this is a, let's say, a special episode where in RPI we celebrated 40 years of the Commodore logo. Basically, we asked the users of Retro Programmers Inside to write a small program in BASIC, in assembly, whatever, to display or celebrate the Commodore logo, basically. With me, there is the mind behind this challenge, Arturo. So basically, Arturo came up with this idea and ran this challenge. It's not a game jam, it's a challenge. It's a different, there are two different things, okay? Game jam is you write a game. A challenge is you write something, whatever, small thing, basically, that you can do in a week, 2 weeks. For how long did it run, the challenge? Arturo, was it 2 weeks? Due, credo, no?
It started in the end of December, if I remember well, and it ended a week ago.
Yeah, so I think it was about 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks maximum.
Yeah, I say about 2 weeks.
Yeah. So, before I start, I need to go and do my usual ritual to remind you to like, subscribe, and follow the YouTube of Phaze101. It's the only way I know of how I can share my videos and what I do. Of course, there is also the Retro Programmers Inside YouTube channel, which you can follow. There are all the videos related to challenges are there. May I remind you that in my case, under my videos, normally there are links that give you access to sources. So please go there, remember to do the show more, and you will be able to access the sources that normally are on Mega. As you can see, they are organized in Amiga or Commodore 64, depending what you go for. And yeah, obviously I have my Phaze101 page, which is my blog right now, but I will be changing this year. It's actually already started. I'm not happy with Facebook anymore, so I need to trash it. Of course, I will leave it on Facebook, but I don't want it to be anymore my main page. There's also the Retro Programmers Inside page. In this case, it's the group, I think. Right? Yeah, this is the group, sorry. But there is also the page. So please follow the page and also join the group. Hello, Joseph. It's been a long time, man, that I haven't spoken to you, but nice to see you here. I still have the checkered flag thing to show you. There is the Phaze101 Facebook group and also the Commodore Dev Facebook group, where anything related to Commodore goes, basically. Of course, both of them related to Phaze101. If you want to get in touch with me, the Discord is your main, let's say, server where you can reach me. You can write to me. In fact, I was noticing I got some messages on Facebook, but I haven't seen them yet. Normally, I reply immediately on Discord, but I take time on Facebook. I also have Telegram. If you want to join Telegram, all the links are in the upper right-hand corner of the display right now. And if you type, you'll get the Linktree message from time to time in the Discord. So. Sorry, on Twitch. For those that want to support me, you can either join Patreon or Ko-fi. As Patreon is indicating, you will unlock 84 videos which are not on YouTube, besides what's there on YouTube. And of course, you unlock more sources also. And last but not least, I need to remind you of this, okay? This jam is coming to an end. It's the Racing Car Game Jam. it's till the end of this month. You can see that there are only 8 days remaining. So please remember to submit by the end of this month your game. And may I remind you, and I will highlight it, this is very important. You need to write that it was written for the Retro Programmers Inside Game Challenge, as it will be disqualified, whatever that is. And there are lots of reasons why we had to include this, not to mention them here, but you can imagine. Anyway, so let's go to the first logo that we need to display. The first one, actually the first three, two of them were written with Logo, the Logo language, and one was written with Prolog. And all three, sorry, not both, were written for the Commodore 64. They take time to load, so please bear with me. In the meantime, I'll put the please wait loading. Arturo, you can talk, and I can start.
There is a funny thing about this challenge because there was a misunderstood about the title. Having called the challenge C logo challenge, some people thought that it was about the logo language. And it was not a bad thing because we can barely watch something in logo. So I'm very glad and happy that there were this a little misunderstood.
Yeah, so yeah, that in a way it's a blessing that there was this misunderstanding, but also it is a challenge to run them. I'm telling you. So right now I am trying to the first one is a Prolog 1. So I'm loading Prolog for the Commodore 64. Once it loads, I will try to load or copy and paste, because that's how it is. Copy and paste in Vice the source code, the Prolog source code, and then we will run it. Some of them are a bit slow. I mean, they take time, so please bear with us also on this one. You can see, I can show you the Commodore 64. Okay, Prolog has loaded. So now I need to paste the source. For those that has never seen Prolog, you might be interested to see it. This is the first command in the Prolog language, and now it is pasting the rest. So I hope that once I press enter, it starts running. And it didn't, which means it didn't paste properly. Let's see.
Can you repeat the author of this
As far as I
code?
know, you don't put run, so no. Sorry?
Can you repeat the author of this code?
The author of this code is Solar Breeze.
Okay.
Yeah, now I think now it will execute. Yeah. There you go. So that's all there is. That's the full logo of the Commodore logo in Prolog. you can tell that, I mean, whoever wrote it, I mean, I do not know the person that wrote it, but he forgot to put pen up and pen down. So you can see when it moves from one place to another, there is the, that zigzag. I don't know if I can show it. Okay, if you can see the mouse, yeah. This line from here, moving to the center, or moving to up here, sorry, and then drawing the circles going up and down. He forgot to do pen up and pen down. So basically, the logo is drawn. I mean, I can tell it's a Commodore logo, but it would have been cleaner with the pen up and pen down. Anyway, that's the first one. I'm going to
It
go to
seems a modern art.
uh,
It seems modern art. Like Picasso.
yeah, right. So we did prologue, and now we do logo. Okay, and one is from Solar Breeze, and the other one is from Fuzzypad. So let's do Solar Breeze again. This takes long to load. For some reason, logo takes long to load.
Instead logo, it would be longo.
Yeah, so, okay, it loaded. So now I need to attach another disk to it. And I need to attach logo examples disk. Attach. And then I'm trying to follow the instructions, okay? So it needs to say read. It's funny how logo loads things, but yeah. Needs that. So it's loading now it's loading this code, okay? Okay, and now I need to type, because it looks like there are many of them, so you need to daisy chain them. I think I wrote it wrong. Yeah. There you go.
It's a typo.
Yeah, it was a typo. So I believe this has more than one. Once it finishes, it loads another and another. I think that's if I remember correctly. You can maybe Arturo, you can tell me if there is more than this to it or not.
I can tell you there is more. I didn't understand. Can you
Yeah,
repeat?
if you can tell me if there is if it's just one logo or there will be multiple ones, because I know some of them has got more than multiple logo.
Is some audio issues because
You didn't hear me.
I can hear you with some silence when you talk.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably
Okay.
yes. It's up to me probably.
Fine. Okay. You see, it's still doing the same thing, so I don't think there is more to it. It's just Emmanuel, I think he wrote fractal.
Yes, yes. I put the process, the warp mode to watch the end till the end is the demo. I remember that I put the yes I take the warp mode because it's a very long process. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I speed it up. Let's see. If it takes too long,
Yes, yes. It was very long because there are many fractals
uh,
designed. I think that he's using fractals in order to fulfill the peak
uh-huh.
picture.
I see.
It's a modern use of fractals, like in textures in video games.
Uh-huh. I didn't run it till this far, to be honest, myself. When I was testing it. By the way, there is one that I didn't manage to run. I have a video of it, so I will play it. But it uses the PET Super CPU, and for some reason it didn't want to run, no matter what, even if I followed the commands of what he said. Yeah, this is, you can tell it's being done all fractals. Yeah, okay, it's done it. I think it's finished now, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's remove warp mode. Okay, so we did that one, and let's do the next one. So again, intermission, guys. I need to load logo again for some reason. So this one is from Fuzzybar. Okay.
Okay. So this is the second place in
Uh,
the not basic category.
um, not paid. Well, yeah, logo category if you want, but whatever. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, I just so this one, because I'm reading the instructions while you're talking to me. Uh,
In the meantime, I can put the ranking in a link so that
yeah, yeah,
people
yeah.
can.
Do that. So disk is local.
I invite you also to check my Chayo page. You can see it in the ranking. It's back to the 8-bit.
Oh,
So
Nemo, grazie. Thank you for the bits. Nemo, thank you very much. So, again, I'm changing to the Commodore 64. Oops, that didn't like. Did I attach the disk or not? Dockster! Oh my god, Dockster, thank you very much for the subs. So, Dockster gave subs to Pelicus, Dario, you have a sub. Vision for All, Dari Mick, Jack Mick, oh, sorry, Jack 050, and High No Shock. I cannot really say that. Dockster, thank you very much, man. This is, you know, And guys, we need to congratulate Dockster. Okay, he wrote an intro for the Amiga, which yesterday was shown in GERB demo party. Okay, he followed my advice. He managed to finish it, and I have to say I'm very proud of his work. He knew nothing, and now he's able to write an intro for the Amiga. That's awesome work. Okay, so we have the why. This is going to give us some problems, I think. Let's load again. Okay, finally. So we are loading the logo interpreter again. Oh, school coder, hello. Ciao, back to the beat. Hello, buonasera. We celebrated the 40 years of the Commodore logo. We had a challenge where the users were encouraged to draw the logo.
Can you put the warp mode? Okay,
Okay,
it's
so there you
done.
go, it loaded. So now I need to attach the other disk. And this is logo stars. And man, I've never used logo, okay, before. So C logo. So bear with me. Okay, it's loading. Ciao, ciao, Nemo. So there you go. I think no, it's not finished yet. It has this final touches. Let's say that. So yeah, I think that's basically it. It just continues like this, right, Arturo?
Uh, I don't remember. Probably there is an end. The code was distributed in some packages, if I remember well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh, a good engineering of the code, but I don't know if there is an end or not.
Okay.
Uh,
So um, now we pass to more logo, Logo, okay. um, from the challenge, okay, we see more of them. So I'm going to jump to the VIC-20, okay, and start with the one of Massimo, okay. Massimo Bonucci,
Bonucci.
Bonucci, sorry, yes, Bonucci. Um,
We
um,
we always make mistake.
yeah. Give me a sec. There you go. Commodore VIC-20. Okay. So this is the logo that Massimo did. Yes, so the logo of the Commodore 64 old school coder was 40 years old on the 7th of January, I think. And so we ran a compo in relation to that. A challenge, not a competition. I mean, because it would not be fair to say a challenge, you know, you write your own logo. Anyway, so just let's make sure that I am there and let's see what Massimo did. Just to make you aware, this was very close to winning, okay? I think I was not part of the jury that gave points to these, but from what I heard, it was very close to winning this one. So basically, it's a basic thing, and I'm moving the logo, okay, left or right, and as far as I know, I can move the text also. Massimo, I should move the text, no?
Cursor up and down.
Okay. Yeah. There you go. Massimo said 5K is enough for most of my users, but I can be expanded to 16K. I mean, he's talking about the VIC, no? This is VIC-20 basic, okay? And again, I can move it left and right. And for Massimo, the VIC-20 is number one. Are you sure, Massimo? The VIC-20 is number one? Come on, the XC64 is number one. I should have read this, what he wrote, actually. Let's read it. I heard that in a few days, a new computer will be presented. I'm not worried. I'm not the best selling computer in the world. More than 1 million units sold in a year. Who can ever be better than me? I can handle high resolution graphics, 22 lines of 23 characters with up to 16 colors. Really impressive. Surely the new computer will not be able to exceed my sound skills. 3 voices and the white noise generator. Who could want more? 5K is enough for most of my users, but I can be expanded to 16K. A truly exaggerated amount. I don't think the new computer will have more than 16K. What would be the use? Yeah. In short, I don't think I need to worry. I will remain for a long time the best-selling computer in the world. I'm the number one. I'm the VIC-20. Good one. Massimo, the text is really cool. Anyway, so let's pass to the next one.
I could add that VIC 20 colors seems brighter than C64's ones.
Yeah, that's true actually.
C64 red is something similar to a trip.
So this is the next one, and I need to. So by Giuseppe Pintus, aka, I know this guy, the Gaps Phaze101. This is the winner for the basic compo. And guys, I had nothing to do with it, okay? So don't accuse me that I gave him points. Arturo is the one.
I can put the link to the prize so that people can.
So it starts with a bouncing ball, pretty boring. So let's change the point of view. And there you go. Instead of the ball moving, we move the box.
Very original.
Very original. It doesn't continue always like this, okay? It will change in a minute, just in case. Tadan, Commodore logo. I got it wrong. There you go. So that was the in basic for the Commodore VIC-20 by the Gaps or Giuseppe Torrepitos. So from the VIC-20 we pass to the Commodore 128. I am just going to change a bit. And here we have the Commodore 128 one. This is written in BASIC, Commodore 128 BASIC.
We can tell that the basic for Commodore 128 is a very smart basic.
Yes.
It has some
it
smart...
is real basic.
You can have some fun with basic, not the same for C64.
Guys, if
You
you
have
want...
sprite sound.
If you're wondering why I still have a jacket on me, it's because I have a cold, okay? So I've been suffering this cold for more than a week here, you know. But it's passing, but still. Yes. Doctor, you're right. So, after this, we pass to the next one. We pass to the next one, which is for the Commodore 64. This one was done by Joseph. He's here, he's with us. It's also Commodore 64 Basic. And he has some cool effects. I like the effects he did, even though it's in Basic. Yeah, Basic 7 is much more power than Basic 2. I do not like Basic 2. For those that know me, they know how much I like Basic 2. I bought the Commodore 128 because of its Basic. I can tell you that. Now guys, this is with Basic 2, so nice effects too. Is Joseph. He's in the chat. Dockstar. Yeah, it's good. There you go. That was the small demo intro by Joseph of the Commodore logo. Next one is the one of Arturo. Given that
Mine was out of context, of
yeah,
course.
this one was out of context. Okay, it was not, did not participate. Now, so Arturo went a step further. He also made a game from it.
What did you say, please?
You went a step further and you wrote a game.
this game, the music is from famous game The Past. I got the seed from Nodes of Yes, and I brought it in about 4 evenings, just to do something for the game challenge. But as the code was going after and after, I put something new every time. So it's not anymore the simple game that I was thinking in the beginning. It's a bit more complicated than when it started. Starting from something simple, I then go to something a little more not complicated, but with more code than was expecting. If the ball gets stuck in the center, you can press the space bar to make a tilt. Something like this moment, if you press the space bar, the ball can have a random shift. But it does not work in the edges because it would be too simple to have a point if you tilt the ball near the opposite side.
Yeah, Arturo always have great ideas, guys.
Thank you.
He's original, very original.
Thank you. The C logo in the center is Beast. When it random appears, it's like a kick in the face. You have improved your game skills.
Yeah. Don't shout.
You can have also a spin when you hit the ball while moving, so the ball has never
Yeah, I noticed. Yeah, I can see it now.
45 degrees static movement. I don't know if the other people are listening the sound like me. I hear the song only in some moments.
I think it's from your side though,
Ah, okay. The important thing is that it's not a bug.
So I'm going to play it again. Once more. This is tricky, this Commodore. You bastard. The computer never loses though.
No. You have collected 5 points in the the match before this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are. You have still 1 point collected. So when the ball hits the wall on the right, you have a point. But the game doesn't stop. When also when you lose your side, your energy bar decreases.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I don't like when action stops, so I prefer to put an energy bar and to let the game go on.
Dockster, you need to send the link, not on Twitch. Send it directly on Discord.
In this game, I use a routine that I wrote in order to transform a GIF in a pesky animation that I would like to release on GitHub, but there are lots of bugs, and every day I tell myself today I will fix that bug, but I have no time. Too many projects. It's because of you, because you have me teach assembly, and so it's a fault of you that now I have to not so many time. All my free time is to code something for the C64, and the fault is yours.
Yeah, I know.
I was in my basic world.
Yeah, so Arturo was in his basic world, and I convinced him to pass to the dark side and start using assembly.
Exactly.
Yeah, the rotation of the logo is good. You have to ask Arturo.
Okay, thank you.
So guys, the next one is what is from Marco, which is Marco Ricci, who is also part of the demo group Nah, and he did this very quickly, and of course I think it's nice.
Wow. This is the wow effect.
Yeah, this has the wow effect. You can imagine that this is number one.
It was.
Yeah. Still is, you know?
Yes. It is, yes.
Unfortunately, Marco is not with us.
He put his life on Twitter, but probably he could not be here.
Yeah, I was speaking to him yesterday, so. So, in the meantime, I'm going to leave this going. Yes, Proton, it is C64. Yes, Proton, it is for the Commodore 64. It was done by Marco, who is HDG of NAH, the demo group. I guess you know him. I think you know him, Proton. Now, before I pass to the next one, this has nothing to do with the competition or challenge, but it's a dedication. And in memory of something, let's say that for now, that me myself, I was always like to look at. I'm a dog lover, okay? And unfortunately, I cannot have dogs here. I do have dogs in Malta, but not here. Well, my father have them. Unfortunately, this dog, let's say that, passed away, but still is in our hearts. So I'm going to play the game that was written for him. And this is Nico Run, dedicated to Old School Coder. My friend, we are all with you. We feel the same like you. I do not know if I have the latest version or not, but it doesn't matter. So, I need to remember the controls. Oops. I need to remember the controls. Oops. What is too slow? So, B, I guess. Oh, 2 shields. This game has got the... Oops, sorry. Yes, this game, as I was saying, was written for Nico, and yeah. He was part of the stream of Old School Coder, I was better at Pong. You know, reading the messages and playing is not easy also. So, just going to bring the Commodore 64 next to the messages. Ooh. I will play it in pop mode, okay? Just to make you happy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I can imagine. So, let's make it pop mode, okay? Happy? Slow motion for people like me. Yeah, that's the right word. I didn't use the right word. It's a tribute to Nico, yes. Something is wrong with the sun. Or not? No. I thought there was something wrong with the sun. How do you activate the shield? I didn't have the shield yet, but how do you activate it? I forgot. Is it P? No! Yeah, I made it. Thank God it was in slow motion. What's a night mode as well? Also, Coder, I'm not sure I'm playing the latest version though. This was one of the, you know, when you were giving me when I was giving you the music and testing. This is one of them. So I'm not sure if it's it is version 2, yes. It said version 2, but I'm not sure if there is, you know, 0.1, 0.2. No! Oh my god, it's fast now. Guys, now I die. I made level 1. Good one. No. Okay. Guys, if you haven't played this game, I suggest that you go and download it from HIO of Old School Coder, or as the usual place for the Commodore 64, CSDB. But it would be nicer if you get it from Old School Coder. Ah, there is night mode. There you go. Yes, it's free. Yeah. I haven't seen a shield now. I like biscuits, you know? Yeah, watch out. Damn, it's fast. Doxter, you made me go into A3 because I read your message. So, let's play it easy. Guys, it will be the last one that I will play. Yeah. Oh my god, it was the victory that got me now. No! It's getting to be the big one. 2 times the big one. Nice, Gary. Ah, impossible. There it is. So how do I activate the shield? Ah. I did it wrongly. Ah, the bomb killed you. Ah? Ah, the power ran out. Not the bomb killed me. Ah, yeah, okay. Okay, guys. So this was a short stream. Okay, I was not. I'm still not okay. 100% myself, and it. You know, we wanted to celebrate the Commodore logo, and we also wanted to pay tribute to Nico. So that's basically where we will end the stream. So guys, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Um, uh, it was a, let's say, a simple one, a small one, but I think it was also very interesting. And I'd like to thank also to those that participated in this challenge. I think they've done, all of them has done amazing work. Arturo, I don't know if you want to say anything else. Arturo?
Uh, Thank you all. It was fun to watch all the works that arrived to us. This was the first time for me to be
Live?
in the other side
Yeah.
of the jury. It was very exciting. I invite you to join also my page in Itch.io if you want. There is the prize and there is the Crazy Pong that Phaze101 played before.
Okay, guys,
Say
I remind you to
good
check
night.
too because the rate is going to happen. So sorry, Arturo. Guys, I remind you to join Retro Programmers Insight. Thank you very much, and see you next week or Tuesday. Bye bye.
Bye.